Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Disha Kakkar and today I have come up with the video in which you will be getting the answer of this video. Well, over here I had told you about what you should speak when it comes to interview, how you should introduce yourself when it comes to interview, what you should do when you go for an interview. Well, I'm sure that sometimes we mess up big time when it comes to interview because we are scared, we are not knowing what questions they are going to ask, and we fumble, we stammer, and so this video is going to help you a lot. Well, number one, what you should do when you're going inside the office, do not directly hop in the office. Please ask for the permission. Ask them, may I come in? They are going to say yes, but it is a kind of courtesy, it is a discipline what you're showing, that you are asking them first and then you're going inside the office. That really counts. Number two, wear formal outfits. Well, yes, I'm sure that some people must be thinking that it's okay, we can wear t-shirt and go. No, you are not in that level right now that you can wear t-shirts and you can go for an interview, because right now your face is not your brand. You might be comparing yourself with few of the brands, few of the CEOs who are wearing t-shirts and going somewhere for an interview. But guys, they are the brands and we are not yet a brand. Give some time and you also will become a brand soon. And then your attire is not going to give any of the importance. But before that, we need to maintain this discipline about wearing formal outfits. So it is very important that have formal outfits, have proper hairstyle and have clean shave. Number three, when you go inside, do not directly sit on the chair. Wait for them to offer you a chair. They are going to offer you a chair obviously because they want to ask you so many questions. So wait till then. Have the discipline. Do not just pull the chair and sit. No, don't ever do that. That really makes bad impression. Number four, have a firm handshake. Well, I'm sure that some people are not comfortable with handshake, especially Indian girls, because of our culture, and we feel that shaking hand won't really give good impression. But no, it is not like that. When the other party is offering you a handshake, at that time always give a firm handshake that shows your confidence. Now sometimes what we do is we simply just touch and then leave. That shows that you are scared, you are not prepared, and you are totally underconfident. So we are not here to show that how much underconfident we are. Though we must be, though we are scared, but we are not supposed to tell this to the interviewer that I am scared. So for that, just do firm handshake. That really gives good impression. Number five, be courteous when you are answering. Well, I'm sure that you all are well qualified. I'm sure you all are having great experience, even if you are fresher, but you are well qualified. But when it comes to answering the question of interviewer, we need to be very courteous in speaking. Always remember, do not show your arrogance, do not be aggressive when you're answering. No, don't do that. Simply wear a smile and give answer. The other thing I also want to add in this is when you're answering the question, at that time it may happen that you fumble, it may happen that you forget the words. Then it's fine. Take a pause and then go ahead with your answer. That is really very natural and any interviewer can understand when it comes to answering the questions of an interviewer. Number six, greetings. We always forget to greet the person who is going to ask us the question. When you go inside the office, do not forget to give a smile and greetings. Wish them good morning or good afternoon, evening, whatever the time is, and then start with your answer. Number seven, do not lean on the table. I have seen so many people who are leaning on the table and answering. No, that is really a bad impression of yours when you're doing that. Do not ever do that. Simply sit straight and answer. It will create good impression of yours. It will show that you are confident, and also the other person will be very impressed by you. This is one of the very important things that you should remember, that never ever lean on the table and answer. And the last thing I would like to add is, do not forget to wish goodbye. Well, sometimes it happens that our interview might not go good. We get frustrated, we get irritated, and we don't even bother to wish them goodbye. Don't do that. It may happen that you are not able to answer some of their questions. It could be technical question, or it could be any of the subjective question. That's fine. And even sometimes they understand, because of this interview pressure, candidate is not able to answer. So that's okay. If you are not able to answer, but your decorum, your discipline, your manners, that will make them realize that this person definitely deserves a chance. So do not forget to wish them goodbye, because we all know that first impression is the last impression. So all these 8 points are your first impressions. So do not give them a chance. This person is not a deserving candidate. So this was it about today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe. Please mention in the comment section that whether you find this video very useful or not, and I'll be coming up with such videos on and on. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day.